Hi everyone. Okay, my citrus twist order came in today. I'm so excited. I am loving these new packs. I really am. I think you can do so much with these packs and these envelopes. I love that. So yeah, very good idea. I can use these more than the other things, so it's actually really perfect. Okay, so this one is Weekender. Yeah. So this is the stamp sets. Sorry about the glare, but the lights are on and we're still going to try and put my new lights in to see if those will help. We'll see. But we didn't have time. Feeling Moody. Wait, there's that. There it is. Brilliant Idea. It's basically the best part of the week. I love how pinkish curly this is. That's a really nice color. Made my day. Happy, happy. These are the 3x4 cards. Today. Well, aren't you just a ray of sunshine? See, I look at it as a sarcastic thing, not as a cutesy thing. But that's just because that's my personality. Let us be on our way. Today. Oh, I like that. It's offset. I like that. It's just a phase. Keep telling yourself that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so that was that. Oh, this is the ephemera pack. Ooh, look at those tickets in there. Oh, I love, love, love my tickets. Tags, tickets. Oh, look at that. Those right there. Those are awesome. Tags and tickets are my little weakness. Love it. Love it. Oh, awesome. Okay, and the chipboard. The chipboard is really cute with the weekend. I like when they do these offset ones too. These half things. I like that. Just adds a little bit different stuff to your PL, or for me, my PL. So I'll just say for my PL. Puffy hearts. Their hearts are funky, but they're kind of fun all at the same time. So, oh good, we have numbers. And this isn't a gaudy gold. This is a cute gold. And they're just perfect for PL. Awesome. Okay, and then this is the, I always get it mixed up. I think it's 8x8 paper. I like the 4x6s. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. That's an old song. But I don't remember how old. Is it the 90s, 2000s? But you know what I'm talking about, right? Because you totally want to put your fist in the air and go, oh, this is how you do it. Yeah. Okay. Cut aparts. I love cut aparts. I love cutting apart stuff. So, my inner kindergartner. Coffee in hand, sparkle in my eye, smile on my face. Yep, it's Friday. So cute. I love these bookmarks. Look at this floral paper. And these are single-sided. That almost looks like forks in the ground, like they could be forks. If you just glance at them, didn't they look like forks? Or sporks? Sporks, yeah. I just finished filming my PL video, and like I said, I think I've had too much coffee this morning, so. Love it. Oh, look how pretty that is. That's very pretty. Alrighty, guys. That was it for the Citrus Twist Kit for this month. Alright, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.